Good morning everyone, I'm Adya Jetri from Delhi Public School. I'm receiving this award for being the youngest to achieve 22 certificates in art exhibitions. I would like to thank all my teachers for this award and my parents too. They have helped me a lot through this journey. And
Since how long you are preparing for this?
I've started doing these exhibitions since I was 5 years old, and then I've just continued going on and on.
When did you find that you can make this record?
I found out that I could make this record last year when I was just scrolling through the media and I came upon IBR. So I decided to tell my parents about it, and then we just told them about it.
So what is the most memorable moment?
My most memorable moment from the exhibitions is my first exhibition, in which it was all very new to me, so everyone was congratulating me for being the youngest, and it was just an amazing experience.
So what's your future plans?
In the future, I would like to pursue engineering. Both my parents are engineers, and as a hobby, I would like to keep art and singing.
I'm Janki Trivedi. My record is most people doing Sheri Garba together.
Since how long you are doing that?
Since 2011, this is record for the particular authentic flavor of Garba. Actually, nowadays you see Garba is remix of dancing and Garba. It is not authentication type of Garba. तो हमने ये रिकॉर्ड इसलिए बनाया कि हमारी गुजरात की जो ऑथेंटिक फ्लेवर है, जिसमें हमारा ऑथेंटिक गरबा जिसको बोलते हैं, जिसमें गाने वाले लोग ही गरबा खेलते हैं, तो वो रिकॉर्ड हमने बनाया।
तो इसमें आप इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिली?
मेरी मदर से। हमारे घर में मैं जन्मी उससे पहले से ये ट्रेडिशन चल रहा था, लेकिन हम देख रहे थे कि पूरा गरबा कमर्शियलाइज हो गया और कमर्शियलाइज गरबा में बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स एंड वो सारी चीज़ें रिमिक्स हो गई, हमारा गरबा चला गया। तो हमको ऐसा लगा कि हमारे कल्चर को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, प्रिजर्व करने के लिए हमको ये रिकॉर्ड करना चाहिए। 2011 से हम शेरी गरबा कर रहे थे, फिर हमको ऐसा लगा कि इसको एक बेंचमार्क देने के लिए ये रिकॉर्ड करना चाहिए।
तो आपके फ्यूचर प्लान्स क्या हैं गरबा को?
गरबा को लेकर हम ये करने वाले हैं कि हमारा रेगुलर जो गरबा चल रहा था वो हमने हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कर रहे थे, उसको बढ़ा के वो पूरे गुजरात लेवल पर जाए, जिससे और इसको पहचान मिले। वैसे अभी तो ऐसा भी हुआ है कि यूएन ने भी गरबा को उसके हेरिटेज में रख दिया है, तो उसको एक नेक्स्ट लेवल पर लेके जाए, ये हमारा प्लान है।
Thank you so much for this. All the very best for the future.
थैंक यू।
I have been awarded for solving 12 sides color Gigamix Rubik's Cube in 30 minutes and 5 seconds. Also, I am the fastest and the youngest child to achieve this award. I like to dedicate this award to my mother. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Giving us your time. Okay.
Her name is Kenza Meher. Her record is identifying multiple items.
What is the record?
Identifying multiple items, cognitive skills.
Since how long she is preparing?
She is not preparing. We find that when she starts to speak, we find that most of her words in English. She gradually learned the names of colors, fruits, vegetables, domestic animals, wild animals, body parts, all in English at the age of 3 by herself. Not taught by me, by herself.
Did you face any challenge?
Yes, when in our state Kerala, it's not a big content. All humans are not bothered about this India Book of Records. When I received this records, even it is not a big content in our state. It's a challenge.
So what's your future plan for it?
Definitely, our future goal is Asia Book of Records.
Any message you want to give to viewers?
The message I want to give productive reasons to start their future as a learning. That's all.
Well, I'm Snakshi Sagar, and I'm taking this award, and my record was to make
the most hand mudras in 1 minute. It goes like this: a deer in one hand and a 2 in the other, and then you switch it.
Since how long you are preparing for this?
I've been ambidextrous since I was small, so I knew I could do these different records. And one day I was like, why didn't I apply for India Book of Records? And then we did, and then I practiced for like 2-3 months, and we reached 190 times per minute in this brain exercise, and I got the record.
Where did you get the inspiration to do this?
Well, I used to watch videos when I was small about these brain exercises, and I tried to practice them, and then I could do them, and then I thought that's what the inspiration was.
What's your future plan?
With this record, I guess to put it on my report card or stuff.
Any message you want to give to other people?
Well, keep practicing your record, and I feel everybody has some unique talent in them, so that everybody will be able to make a record. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, my name is Vaibhav Vijay Thorat. I am from Pune, Maharashtra, and I have done record in rope skipping in 5 minutes. I have done the maximum rope skip 888 in 5 minutes.
When did you start doing this?
Ma'am, I started doing rope skipping from 2016, and from that time I am doing it daily, 2000 rope skips in 12 minutes.
What mental process or technique you use?
Ma'am, rope skipping is a simple exercise which everyone can practice in a small area and with a small equipment like just a single rope, and it is a most easy exercise that everyone could do to keep our body fit.
Did you face any challenge, any hurdle to make this record?
Yes, ma'am. In the initial phase, I used to do only 10, 20, then 30. Then I practice every day, and for past 8 to 9 years, I'm practicing it daily, 2000 skips. So one day I saw on YouTube the India Book of Record video. So I thought that I can also make it, and I applied for it.
Any plans to make more such records?
Yes, ma'am. When my 888 record was made in 5 minutes, soon in next 2 months I broke my own record, and I made it 909, means 909 rope skips that I will apply in next month for Asia Book of Record.
Any message you want to give to us?
Yes, ma'am. I am a MBBS final year student, so I have seen many youngsters facing the problems like obesity in hospital. So I would like to just tell that today everyone is not doing physical activity which is required, and in youngster they are going for gym and taking other supplements. Like they should not take that. They can do regular basic yoga or like this rope skipping, which is less time taking, and it can give much more benefits. It is it is very good for cardiorespiratory system, as it helps in keeping the person fit. And ma'am, for this I have called my mother here because she is my source of motivation. She taught me rope skipping in 2016, and from that I have came to this stage. So I am very thankful to my mother and father.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving your time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Arsalan Ali Hassan. I performed 70 leg raise push-ups in just a time of 30 seconds.
Since how long you are preparing this leg?
I was 10 to 11 years old, and I used to do push-ups in the room secretly. Nobody knew about it. And once I thought I have to break one record, then I applied for the India Book of Records for this.
When did you find that you can make this record?
When I was doing alone, I did 50 push-ups in a very short time. So I thought I can break some record or something.
How do you feel now that you have achieved this record?
I feel great because the record is like it is very amazing, because very unique, you can say, because I was only a kid and I did done this record.
Any advice or message you can give to our viewers?
For the future generation, I think they have to just work hard and focus, not focus on the distractions, and prepare yourself.
Hi, I'm Ankita Joshi. I'm the first woman in the world who's painted in zero gravity with the training of NASA. So I had two trainers who are the aerospace astronaut trainers who trained me for around 8 months, and then I recorded 6 paintings in zero gravity.
So I have seen your record. So why Chulbul Pandey you have selected? Salman Khan as a Chulbul Pandey.
Yeah, it's my favorite actor,
Okay.
so that's the reason, of course. And I wanted to award him the gift. So
From where did you get the inspiration to make this record?
So it's a concept of zero, which is shunya, of our Indian origin, the state of mind. So when I was working on a project called Nullism, so that's when I was creating a storyline on what to do about it, and zero being incepted in our culture. So I took that as a subject and created a project on physics and metaphysics that I combined into 6 paintings.
So how did you prepare yourself for zero gravity?
Yeah, I was trained by NASA, so it was a very, very strict food schedule, physical fitness, mental fitness and all that for 8 months. There were sessions where we had to do some mathematical calculation underwater, so under pressure and all that. So they check your state of mind for doing that, if you're ready to go up and do whatever your record holds.
So did you face any challenges or hurdle and how did you overcome?
Oh yes, we had an emergency landing which costed us approximately 22 lakhs to come down and then prepare myself again to go up. So that was a very big challenge. I don't think so I'll be doing it again.
Any message you want to give to everyone?
Oh yes, I think thoughts and inspiration comes naturally, and I think everybody should look forward of doing what you want to do and be brave about it.
Thank you so much for sharing
Thank
your
you.
मैं आनंद प्रकाश शर्मा और मुझे इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड और एशिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में 1000 कविताएं लिखने के लिए और उसका एडिशन एक साथ निकालने के लिए है। ये 1000 कविताओं का उत्सव का जो जश्न बनाया गया है उसे आप लोगों ने यहाँ अभी मेरा उत्साह दुगना कर दिया है, क्योंकि प्रेस के समक्ष रिकॉर्ड बहुत अहमियत रखते हैं और मैं गौरवान्वित महसूस करते हुए इसे आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है, उपलब्धि है और ये अवार्ड बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण बन जाता है इसका 1000 कविताओं के उत्सव के लिए। थैंक यू।
आपको कहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन मिली ये किताब?
हाँ, मैं बहुत छोटी उम्र से ही कविताएं लिख रहा हूँ और इस समय आपको बता दूं कि 3000 से ऊपर कविताएं मैं हिंदी में लिख चुका हूँ। बहुत सारी पुस्तकें मेरी इस दिशा में प्रकाशित हुई हैं और इस समय चर्चित कृतियाँ भी रही हैं। वो मसलन जैसे चेतुआ नाम की एक पुस्तक है जो बहुत लोकप्रिय है, अभी खंडित दुनिया आप लोग देख रहे हैं। तो इस तरीके से कविताओं का और अन्य उपन्यास लिखने का मेरा बचपन से एक शौक रहा है और सभी मानवीय प्रेरणाएं मेरी इसमें, आप सब मानवीय प्रेरणाएं मेरे लिए प्रेरित करती हैं कि हम एक सहचर्य व्यक्तित्व हैं, आप और हम मिलके इस दुनिया को बनाते हैं और यही कविता का एक खूबसूरत भाव होता है। उससे मैं आप सबके साथ मिलके द्रुगित कर लेता हूँ और शब्दों में लिख देता हूँ। वो दर्द होते और एक पीड़ा होती है मगर उससे बड़ा आनंद होता है।
थैंक यू सो मच सर, आपने अपना थॉट शेयर करने के लिए। और बस एक लास्ट ये बताइए कि आप कोई मैसेज देना चाहते हैं हमारे लिए?
हाँ, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आज लिखना कम हो गया है और पढ़ना भी कम हो गया है, जबकि अब देखना ज़्यादा हो गया है। और जैसा आप लोग मीडिया है तो देखना दिखाना बहुत तेज़ी से चल रहा है। ये बुरा नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा है, मगर लिखना ना छोड़े लोग। हमारा कविताएं लिखने के पीछे एक उद्देश्य होता है कि हम खुशी में बहुत एक साथ हो जाते हैं, जी लेते हैं, मगर जब दुख होता है तो हम लोग अपनी हिम्मतें तोड़ देते हैं। मैं खुद भी अभी एक गंभीर बीमारी से उभर के आया हूँ अभी इस कार्यक्रम के पहले। तो ये प्रेरणा होती है कि हम लोग लिखें और उसे पढ़ें और फिर उसे जिएं और जीते हुए लिखें भी। थैंक यू।